How to check in on Expedia app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually check in on Expedia. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to actually check in on Expedia, maybe you want to check your booking, or maybe you want to check your itinerary flight, or how you can do that. All you need to do is simply open the Expedia application. Then once you launch the Expedia app, you just need to come to the trips option over here. Then once you click the trips option over here, you'll find all these sorts of details. Then what you need to do is just click on the option called find your booking, that says use your itinerary number to look it up, right? So make sure that you have your itinerary number with you. Then once you click on that specific option, you'll be able to see the itinerary number option. Then you just want to make sure to enter your itinerary number, click on continue, and then you'll be able to check in on that specific flight or that booking. That is how you can actually check in on Expedia app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.